Hello folks, this is Phil, Jim's Motors. We're looking at here today is a used 2015 Nexus stock combo. It's a custom trailer. We ordered it for a rodeo family. It's a 5-horse slant, air-conditioned dressing room with a mid-tack, cowboy shower. So this thing's set up pretty nice. It's got a big awning on the driver's side. It's got fold-down bunk beds up here in the dressing room with AC, heat strip, ramp up into the mid-tack. It does have a cowboy shower. There's your tank for that. It's in the first bay. It is a 5-horse slant. 8K axle, 17.5 tires and wheels. It has a rear collapsible tack in it. Plexiglass for the slats. This trailer's set up really nice. For more information on this trailer, give us a call here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a good day.